Hey everyone, I'm Gursimran. I'm going to be technically analyzing the top three trending stocks of this week in this in this weekly series. But first, we'll start with a recap of the last week. Before I start with the technical analysis, let me just say that this video is meant to be treated as educational and informational content only. This is not to be considered as financial advice. With that, I'll start discussing about a recap of the last week. So if you guys have seen the video of last week, we discussed the three stocks that we discussed last week were ITC, BSE, and CDSL. So we'll start with ITC. So in the video last week, I had mentioned how ITC stock has been respecting this red trend line on a weekly time frame from a long time, and we have again seen a rejection from the same trend line. We have a green liquidity box over here where I said last week that I expect the momentum to go to continue downwards, and which is what is happening. Even in this area, I would look to buy towards the lower end, and I would look to sell around 228 because I expect this to form a lower high and continue going downwards before it eventually comes back again to break the trend line. So I expect something like um, something like this. So this is what I expect with ITC. Moving on, we'll quickly discuss about BSE now. Uh, uh, BSE, we talked last week about how it had broken out of this rising wedge upper trend line and is now basically trading at all-time highs. In the video last week, we discussed that if it was able to hold this retest, which it did, on a clearance of 1600, I had suggested that we could long this, and from that level, from 1600, this has gone up to 1877 in the last 3 days itself, right? So this has worked out well. CDSL didn't quite work out as per the discussion that we had last week. This had been following a trend line from a pretty long duration since COVID last year, which it seemed to have broken. But now it looks like it's reclaiming that trend line again. But again, if you see here, I am seeing a rejection uh, on the daily chart. So basically, I will not be comfortable buying this stock until I see it clear the previous all-time highs and hold it at that level, because this could very well be a fake break in, like this was a fake breakout, right? So I'll wait. Now coming to the three trending stocks of this week. Uh, the top three are BSE, ITC, and TCS. We've already discussed BSE and ITC. So we'll take on TCS, HDFC, and NMDC in our analysis today. Starting with TCS, basically TCS has, if we go back to the monthly chart, TCS has been respecting this monthly this trend line on a monthly chart for the last 1.5 years. Going down to the weekly level, we can see clearly that it found support on the trend line and on a combination of the previous all-time high levels, and it has bounced from here. In the short term, I expect it to continue upwards to 3733 levels. If we get a pullback, which is quite likely looking at the evening star candle that is being printed here, I would look to buy in the 3550 to 3500 range and hold till 3730 levels. It could be a good long over here. I don't think it will be able to break this level, because if we look at the weekly chart again and the monthly chart, this is a very bearish monthly candle that we see over here. And if we don't see it close a monthly candle above this level, above 3800, I don't believe that we'll continue bullish momentum on this stock. I think that we'll likely go further around and test somewhere around 3100 levels over the next few months. This is more long term. Remember, we are looking at the monthly chart here. As I said, on the daily chart, if we get a pullback to 3550, we can look to long it to 3733. Coming to HDFC. HDFC again, I think on the weekly chart has printed a bearish candle. Let me just quickly start with the monthly chart. So HDFC, if you look at this chart over here, from 2014, it has been following this red trend line, and every time it hits the trend line, you see a pretty fierce correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. So it is again getting rejected from this trend line. If you look at this monthly candle of November, it was a bearish engulfing candle. If we look at the month of December right now, we've only come up to test this level. I think we can expect further downside on this stock. I think we can see 2558 levels, or maybe even slightly lower to test the previous all-time high again, around 2513 levels. I think we can see this stock come to this level over the next few weeks. On a further shorter time frame, I think again we are seeing a bearish daily candle over here. So again, I'm not really looking to long this stock till the time I see a breakout of this range, or till I see it at this level. Coming to NMDC, I think NMDC is a very weird chart, if you ask me. If you look at the monthly chart, this stock has been around since 2008, and it hasn't really done much in the last 10 years. If you look at it, it has just been range bound between 85 to 185, and we saw that it managed to break the range here. This is a higher high, and if we manage to form a lower high in this support region, if this is a significant resistance, this was a significant resistance, right? This was a low, then it broke this, and this became a resistance then, and now it's broken the resistance and come back to test it again. So if we manage to hold 144 level, I think we can start to see some upward momentum in this stock over the next few years. Looking at the monthly candle as well, you see that this is looking like a bullish engulfing as of right now. If this monthly candle closes like it is right now, I think this could be a good long. On the lower time frames, I think it's pretty much the same story. I think on the lower time frame, it seems to have broken the resistance. I would wait to see acceptance above this 145 level, and if I find acceptance, it could be an easy long up to 170 at least. So that wraps up our report for today. I'll see you guys again next week. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.